Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to easily access sensitive content on X, previously known as Twitter. So here we are in the app. All we need to do is head to the top left corner and click on our profile picture. Then scroll down and at the bottom, click on Settings and Support. Scroll down a bit more, then click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're on the settings page, just click on Privacy and Safety. Now, click on the third option down, Content You See. Now, on this page, we need to do two things. First, tick the box to display media that may contain sensitive content. Then, come down and click on Search Settings. Turn off Hide Sensitive Content. And there you go. You should now be able to view sensitive content on X without any filters. If this video helped you out, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching.